What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yadi Girl Flavor, and I am back with another video. So, this is my Thanksgiving dessert that I'm making now. So, if you guys are seeing this, happy Thanksgiving, or whenever you do, happy holidays. Also, make sure you guys are following me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment. This is my first time making this dessert, so I'm hoping that I will knock it out the park and it will be delicious. So stick around, please, all the way to the end to see how I do. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So I will be making cranberry carrot oatmeal cookie. So I have some ground cinnamon here, some ground nutmeg, vanilla, baking soda. There's also going to be flour. I'm going to use quick oats or instant oats. There's butter, there's a carrot, there's a cranberry, there's some salt, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I make it, and the ingredients will be in the description. So in my bowl, I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour. You can use whole wheat flour or gluten-free flour. So that was a half cup, and then this is a 1/4 cup. And then I'm adding 1 cup of instant oats or quick oats. We're gonna whisk that together. Once we whisk that together, I'm just going to add the baking powder, the cinnamon, and all of those other ingredients. So you guys are going to see it as I do it. So we need 1 teaspoon, not sure if you guys can see it, of baking powder. We need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then cinnamon, and then the nutmeg is gonna be 1/4. This little itty bitty one. I am following a recipe, but I am adding stuff to it to make it my own as well. Also, I almost forgot about the salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're just gonna whisk all of that together. This should give us 15 cookies, but I will let you guys know how much it gives. Here I have 1 egg. Then I am going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to add some melted butter. Then I'm going to mix that well. So in this bowl I have the egg, the melted butter, and the vanilla. For my sweetener, I'm going in with some honey. You can use maple syrup or sugar, but this is what I am using. We need 1/2 cup. I'm just going to use the same measuring that I did for the flour. I probably should take off the cover so we can go faster. Ooh. There we go, 1/2 cup. And we're just going to combine that well. Then we're going to add it to the dry ingredients. So what are you guys making for Thanksgiving dessert, or what did you make? Since some of you might see this video later on, I'm just still whisking my wet ingredient, making sure it is combined properly. So I'm just gonna pour that in. I'm gonna get a spoon and scrape that out. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna combine this together. I don't think this is going to give me 15 cookie, but we will see. As I said, I've never made this before, and I am following a recipe. Remember, that's going to be really small cookies. And we're going to have this with some ice cream on the side. So I have half cup of shredded carrots and half cup of cranberry. And I'm just going to dump that into our mixture. After I combine this, then we're going to let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes before we start baking them. This is my first thing I'm making today before I start on my other Thanksgiving courses that I will be doing, dishes that I will be making. So this is it, guys. And then I'm going to let it chill in the fridge, and then I'll show you guys once I'm putting it in the oven. So this is my dough after being chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes. I already have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let's go. So here is my ice cream scoop I'm using. You guys can use a regular spoon. I'm just gonna do 1 scoop. Let's see if we get 15. So pretty. While you're doing this, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. So I got 12. I guess I could go a little bit more smaller on the drops, and then I'll get 15, but I'm just gonna press them down a bit. And then into the oven they go at 325 degrees for 12 minutes. So these are what we have. I just took them out the oven. There's still a little bit. They're supposed to cool for 10 minutes, and then I'll show you guys again because they're still kind of sticky, but yeah. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get one up. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Oh no. I think we got it. As you guys can see, it's still very soft. So that's good. We don't want it too tough and cakey and dry. Well, that's not that bad. And this is our cookie. You guys can see it's very still soft and moist. So if you guys stick around to the end, thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. So I found this plate at Walmart. I'm going to place my cookie on it, and that's going to be my thumbnail. These are so amazing. So this is our cranberry carrot oatmeal cookies. Look at it, guys. They are so still moist, fresh out the oven. And as I said, we're gonna have these with some ice cream at the side. Maybe make some ice cream sandwiches as well. Bye. See you on the next one.